Neha, welcome to my channel Pooja Loves Drama. So recently I did a poll for the language of my videos, whether it should be in English or Hindi. So I decide one thing, the drama that available in Hindi dubbed language. For that I will make my videos in Hindi language, and the drama you can watch with subtitles. I will make their videos in English language. But if there is any specific video you want to watch in Hindi language as well, you can comment on that video. I will make that video in Hindi language as well if it's not available. So let's talk about our today's drama, that is Present is Present. In my Instagram poll, this drama got the highest vote for the explanation, and this drama only have 12 episodes, 24 minutes each, so you have to give only 6 hours for this drama. You can watch in one go, and you can't watch this drama on any OTT. You have to watch this drama on Dramapool website. You can watch this drama, or VTV app. You can watch this drama. So if we talk about this drama, it's full of you can say romance, comedy, revenge, no time travel. People are connected from present to future, and like some scientific things you are gonna see. We are going to see the love story of Vejichi and Yunxia, but the storyline is not that much simple because we are going to see the connection between the present and the future. So Vejichi, you can say, is a carefree person in the eyes of public because he is struggling to take over his father's farm. At some point he will get the opportunity to take over everything, but he fired Yunxia, like Yunxia, his secretary, who was available for him 24/7. But for her safety, he fired her, and now she got hospitalized, and like she got some terminal illness, you can say, but that was fake thing, all created by Vejichi. Now our future Vejichi will call our Yunxia because there is one invention of his father, that is teleport telephone, you can say, who can connect with the present and the future, present and the past, like future and present that can connect. So our future Vejichi will call our present Yunxia to prevent her death. So to save her, he will guide her to take some steps, to take some measurements. So our present Vejichi also can save her. But at some point when they find so many clues, they find the real culprit, they make some plans, and our present Vejichi and our future Vejichi will connect with each other to find the solution. But every time they will fail. Whole drama is all about to prevent each other deaths, because every time our Yunxia got killed, but one time our Vejichi got killed, so Yunxia will save him. So there are so many things. Whenever something will happen, our future Vejichi or future Yunxia will call in present time, and they will tell them the secret, who is the real culprit, who is the real murderer, and so present Vejichi or Yunxia can save all these things. So at the end you will get to know the real culprit, and again within all the plannings and all things, our Yunxia got killed again. But now there is one thing, our Vejichi will do something, like something he will do in the end, and now our Yunxia is safe. So at the end they will be together, like it's just one time watchable. Like if you love to watch dramas like Derailment, then you're gonna love this drama as well, because it's also about present, future, and to prevent something, like full of mystery, to find the real killer, like all these things. Then you're gonna love this drama. For me, it's just so not that much good, not that much bad. You can watch this drama on Viki as well. It was in coming soon list on Viki, and all the episodes will be available in a single day. एंड बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा है कि हिडन लव का 3rd एपिसोड कब आएगा. सो इसका कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं है अभी तक, लाइक कोई गारंटेड डेट नहीं है, कंफर्म डेट नहीं है कि कब आएगा. बट अगर आप हाईएस्ट एक्सपेक्टेशन लेकर चलते हो, तो फ्राइडे को हमारे 2 एपिसोड रिलीज हुए थे, फर्स्ट 2 एपिसोड, तो नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे को हमारे नेक्स्ट 2 एपिसोड रिलीज होने चाहिए, अगर हाईएस्ट एक्सपेक्टेशन और एक रेशियो के साथ चलते हैं. बिकॉज जब आपके 1 एपिसोड 2 एपिसोड ऐसे रिलीज होते हैं, हो सकता है वीकली बेसिस पर रिलीज हो, जैसे के ड्रामा हमारे वीकली बेसिस पर आते हैं, बिकॉज चाइनीज ड्रामा हमारे कभी वीकली बेसिस पर नहीं आते, वो डेली बेसिस पर रहते हैं. बट हो सकता है अगर आप हाईएस्ट एक्सपेक्टेशन लेकर चल रहे हो, तो मे बी आपको नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे को ही नेक्स्ट 2 एपिसोड देखने को मिलेंगे. एंड आप यूकू ऐप पर भी चेक कर सकते हो, वहां पर भी ये ड्रामा अवेलेबल है हिंदी डब में, तो वहां पर भी आप चेक कर सकते हो कि थर्ड एपिसोड कब आने वाला है। या फिर यूकू चैनल पर भी आप अपना नोटिफिकेशन ऑन करके रखो ताकि ये ड्रामा आए तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। इफ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल, डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन सब्सक्राइब button, and if you love to watch my videos, don't forget to click on like button also, because I always make video about Korean, Chinese and Thai dramas, and at last I made this video in Hindi, English, both language. So thank you so much for watching my video till now. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.